This is from KRQR 106.7. And this is from a CSN translator on 97.7 here. We're going to resend these two. Let's see. I think this one is going to be the one from CSN. Okay. Now we'll get this one. Yeah, funny thing is I literally just received these weeklies like a couple seconds apart. It's like the one from 106.7, I received it at 7:53. And then the CSN one, let me scroll back down, came up at 54. It's like literally not that far apart from each other. So I just thought it was pretty funny. I'll clear that. And there you have it.